Ihieng Kaselehlie mango. Gang, I'm really sorry it's been so long for me to get to this next video number 5, but here we go. This video is on the aspect, the durative or the ongoing aspect in Pohnpeian verbs. So your main root verb reduplicates. For example, kang, to eat, kang, or mga, also to eat, mga. And it is used to describe an action that is ongoing, that is happening. It could be happening right now. It could have been happening yesterday. Mga ayo, or mga ayo anso may rail beitiyo. Like I was eating yesterday when they arrived yesterday. So you might see it, this reduplicated verb used with wie. It can be used for something that's going to happen in the future. Ipan wie mongmonge anso met katupinaban takatalakap. I will be eating when the sun rises tomorrow. And you can also use it with the aspect marker kin. So these verbs are now starting to get, this verb is definitely a little more complicated. So when you go to your grammar book and you look at page, you will find there are many different patterns of reduplication. So it depends on if the reduplicated verb, the verb is long or short. The pattern will change. So there's not just one reduplication pattern, but many. And so look in the book, look in the grammar book, and you will see the different patterns. For, let's give you one example or two examples. So kang is just one syllable word. The verb reduplicates entirely. So kang. But not all verbs do that. So another verb, this I'm just pulling from the book. So makiyaki is to cry. It's like sobbing, makiyaki. But you don't say to reduplicate makiyaki, you do not say makiyaki. It doesn't reduplicate the whole word. It only duplicates a portion of the verb. So makiyaki would become makiyaki. So all I can tell you is, for right now, the patterns are in the book, and there are several patterns. So you need to work with a Pohnpeian language speaker to become familiar with how verbs reduplicate and what the patterns are. And we'll talk more later about those patterns, but just know for now that that is the ongoing durative aspect. It is happening now, such as I am singing, but it also can be used for something happening in the past or going into the future. Thank you for your time, and we'll be back in touch again soon. Kaselehlie.